Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you are updated as and when I bring the videos. Today before we start, I felt those who have the Shri Yantra in their home, put on the Lalita Sahasranamam today because the energies will be really powerful today when you play the Lalita Sahasranamam for your Shri Yantra. Now those who don't have also, if you can put the Lalita Sahasranamam in your puja room and just sit for some time and listen to it, you will get a lot of abundance coming in your life. So let's see what are the cards going to say today. Okay, 3 cards have come out. I guess it's 3. Yes, it's 3. So 4 of Wands and the 10 of Cups. So more of enjoyment, family related enjoyment, happiness. Maybe some of you will marriage proposal will get fixed for some, while for some it will be a beautiful time with their partners, their loved ones. And for some, if they're looking for life partners, then maybe chances of getting a partner. But when I see the 10 of Cups, I feel enjoyment with family, happiness with family, and spending quality time with family. So how will the day end? Now that's a beautiful card. You will feel as if you have done your work wise you're satisfied, your personal life you're satisfied. And if you were planning to take up some project or work on some project, you got the correct contacts or the correct insight of that project, and you were able to successfully plan or submit whatever was needed to submit. Now those who are planning to go abroad, it's a right time to start planning your abroad trip, and it's a right time to start working towards making your future goals to happen, because today whatever you start futuristically, it will be really good for you. And today the color will be blue, light blue preferably, because a lot of communications have to happen today. So the color will be light blue. And I have already said the Lalita Sahasranamam. Today in the evening, feed some stray animal as a gratitude to the universe that the day went well and you were able to plan and get things sorted the way you wanted. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.